Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the radios because Airdrop uses Bluetooth for discovery and Wi-Fi for transfer. On your iPhone or Mac, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then set Airdrop to contacts only or everyone depending on who you expect. Open the file or app that holds your item, photo, PDF, or web page, so you can tap share immediately. Doing this first saves time and avoids interruptions. Once the device appears in the Airdrop sheet, you're ready to send the item. Now perform the handoff. Tap the share icon, pick Airdrop, and choose the recipient that appears. On a Mac, you can drag a file to the recipient in Finder or use the share menu. Both methods trigger the same Airdrop protocol. The receiving device will show an accept or decline prompt. Make sure the other person unlocks or wakes their screen to see it. Transfers use peer-to-peer Wi-Fi so speed is fast. If it stalls, check distance and antenna obstructions. Once the recipient taps accept, the system writes the file to photos, files, or downloads depending on type. Wait until the progress finishes before closing screens. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and try again, or temporarily set Airdrop to everyone to avoid contact matching issues. Also turn off personal hotspot and make sure both devices run current OS builds. These steps resolve most failures. If problems persist, restart both devices and retry the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.